The time for love. I remember Christmas. I couldn't wait. Being a kid, trying to stay up too late. Wanted to see the man they called Santa. You know, one with the big beard and sleigh. I remember Christmas. My kids couldn't wait. They wanted to know where Santa was, and if he was running late. See, there was no Christmas gifts under the tree. Had Santa forgot them? Did he forget? Was he not good enough? I will never forget. I remember Christmas, putting up all the lights, fighting the snow, the ladders, and everything else in sight. But this year is different. It's just not the same. The loss of your mother, everything will change. I remember all the Christmases, the good and the bad. What I would give to have my sweet mother back. But I know she is looking down from above, saying Christmas is what matters. It's the time for love.